We're gonna unbox all of this, and its side have a candy too. So we're gonna start in the Kinder Egg.
We will help you unbox. Para mas
No.
mabilis.
No, tagal man yan.
Okay, go.
So, so this is the candy one,
Kainin nyo
and
niya.
this is the
Ano yan?
it's the toys. So let's go see you.
Gusto mo?
Ay,
Wag, ayoko doon natin eh.
Lian, do you like donut?
Oh yeah, sure. I like that flavor.
candy.
Wait, mamaya na. Can I have?
Huh? Try ko muna kasi hindi pa ako nakatry. Wait, we're gonna just
Open
try.
ko?
No.
Siya yung mag-open. Ikaw ha, mga rich bitch jud ka ha. Yummy? Ayaw mo? Ila ka liyan? Open the toy.
I'm so excited. What the hell?
Cute.
Ano to?
Ang cute eh.
We get this one.
Ano yan? Patingin. Tingin instructions. Ito may instructions naman.
Balo.
Ay, collectible man eh. Funko Pop. Kuan siya.
unang duwan.
So we're gonna unbox this too.
Skateboard ba?
So we're gonna open this. It's a cat one. I
Iskan
actually
mo.
want.
Ha? Iskan ni mo. Pwede ka magduwa.
I mean this is a puppy
Scan
one.
and play.
This is the cat one. So I actually want.
Pwede ni mo tukuran
This-
sa mo cellphone.
Oh my gosh, this one or that one. So yeah, wait, I'm gonna open it. It's already open. Let me, because it looks like sealed.
Mga batiin. Katong pala eh. Kasuway ka. Katong purple.
We're gonna open. Okay, it's cute.
Ay, may mga balls.
But we didn't get what I wanted. It's okay. But she's so cute. Okay, this is not actually a toy. It's a candy. So what I want in the cat, it's all of them. I like this one and the black one. Okay, we're gonna open it. It's another
Stuck
candy.
lagi doon niya. Nawali yan.
This is I got so far the dog one with I didn't ready with which one if I don't want,
Can you open the
and
door,
this
Dali?
one too. Like
Please?
actually,
Can you open
this
the door,
game
Dali?
suck.